A cobbler taught me a profound lesson about gratitude today. I was rushing through my day when, of all things, my shoe ripped open. Panicked, I spotted a small shoe repair stall on the side of the road. An old man was sitting there, quietly waiting. He took my shoe, and with practiced hands, he quickly stitched it up, gave it a good dusting, and handed it back with a warm smile. It looked as good as new. I was so grateful I tried to give him some extra money, but he gently pushed my hand away. He looked at me and said something I'll never forget. I just prayed to God to send me a customer, and then you came. That is already a blessing. It really hit me. Some people don't need a jackpot to be happy. They just need a chance. Thanks for watching.